or you is investing crores of rupees, or you want to own a car or a house or a dream holiday, whatever it is, if you have created that image in your life, that is actually going to stay. It is very difficult to remove it. When it can happen in 1 minute, then it can happen in a particular state of mind, dikhane everything is possible. Are we aware of this particular state of mind? We all get it during the day. Common? Anyone else? Anyone? Huh? Night.
Morning.
Morning.
When you're in dream.
Dream. Meditative stage. Meditation probably
Morning.
people may not know or people may not know, but actually both of them are right. It's in the dream stage or in the morning when the thoughts are very, very less. Okay? There are certain, our mind is actually, thoughts are very, very few, and we call it as a delta stage. There are thousands of books written on by a lot of people who study psychology and subjects like this and subject on mind. They have studied what is the frequency of our mind at different time during the day. So when it is in the morning, the frequency is very, very slow, and it's in a state called delta, and that's in a dream or daydream type situation. So in that morning, how many of you have heard कि सुबह का सपना सच हो जाता है? Very often. So that is actually a fact. Lot of things, which actually our ancestors or people have just mentioned, we actually don't know the depth probably, so we just ignore it. But actually there is 100% truth in most of the things whatever we are actually saying. So which science has actually proved that that is the time best for actually creative visualization. So whatever has come in your thought at that particular time, actually that can materialize. So the best thing is why I am telling you to do it in the morning to bless your client, or maybe think about certain things which you actually want in your life in the morning, because that can actually get into your visualization and then in your energy body, and then you will start working with the power of Shiva energy and you will achieve it. Maybe certain things which I am sharing is coming to you, or you can accept it and you can work on it. For certain people, if you are not getting it, okay, validate it. Don't just take it blindly, whatever I tell, because I have experienced, I am sharing it. Certain things, but you can try. Maybe after a month or so, once you have tried, see, there is no harm in trying. Just for some time, consider this as a temporary truth. कर लो, एक बार बोल रहे हैं, चलो ऐसे भी तो हम लोगों ने बहुत कुछ किए हैं लाइफ में. Let's do one more thing and then you see the results. It's actually going to be fantastic. Okay? Can we all try this from tomorrow? There is no harm in trying. I am not asking any monetary value for that. This is your life, your wish, and there is nothing wrong in it. You can just do it. Visualize at least whatever you want in life in the morning when you are in a quasi-hypnotic state. And today, at the end of the day, we will have something wherein I will take you to that quasi-hypnotic state and we will try to do certain creative visualization. Okay, coming back to our normal thing, we will start the game very soon. And but before the game, we are here to play a game today. The game is called Volatility Game, and this is a game which you can play with your clients.
What is the game?
Volatility Game.
Volatility game. Okay.
It's and we will play it, and so that you can play it with your clients and engage them more and get more business. So, but before getting into that, we will again have certain questions, certain things, because these questions can come from your clients while you are conducting this game or while you are normally interacting with your clients. So it's good we know that answers. Simple things, but probably we have not thought in those lines. So what is money? We all are in a business of money.
It is a medium of exchange.
Medium of exchange, brilliant answer. So most of the time, I don't get this answer, This is funny. Yes.
Which creates certain values.
Which creates certain value. Simple answer as per dictionary or as per Wikipedia is money is something which is a medium of exchange. और इतनी सारी बातें होने के बाद भी अक्सर लोग बोलते हैं, बहुत सारे जवाब आते हैं मेरे पास. कुछ लोग कहते हैं money is energy, money is power, money is something which you can do anything. But this answer will not come. Honestly speaking, this answer has come rarely. Whenever I am conducting this program with colleges or management institutes only, तभी आता है answer. Otherwise, so I think Bhava ji ka that frame is still beyond to that extent, which doesn't mean सबका नहीं है. Everybody is there, but with students know it's like they will come to know. But इतनी सारी बात होने के बाद ना, most of the time we just start moving and talking about other things.
और बोला है क्या something or mean everything. Money lost mean everything. Failure situation.
इनका कहना ये है कि something lost is
Not everything lost.
not everything lost,
Money lost mean everything lost.
but money lost is not everything. ये विश्वजीत का कहना है. Certain people have certain different thoughts. So what is money? There is a formula, and again I continue to refer a lot of books during the program. If you wish, you can write those names, and if you wish, you can study them. There is a book called 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey, and then there is a book called 8 Habits by Stephen Covey again. 8 Habits. It's a wonderful book, beautiful book. So certain things which is going to come to you right now is actually from that book. Now, there is the Covey. Huh? Stephen Covey.
K-A-V-I.
COVEY.
Now what is happening, what was the definition of money in the industrial age? Now you have told medium of exchange, that is fine, but how to get that money? How that money comes to you? Just a formula. देखिए हर चीज there is a scientific explanations to that, and then there is an art to that of getting it. But we should have that scientific formula, because if you don't know that formula, you will not be able to put things into place and you will not get it. That is very, very simple. So the requirement of science is a must, and then how beautifully you can do it is an art. Some people will do it in that scientific thing in a beautiful way, they will get more. Some people will do it in a less beautiful way, they will get less. So it is simple like that. But a simple formula needs to be understood, which all of us know, but हम लोगों ने कभी सोचा नहीं है उस पे. So today is the day you have to think about it.
Formula by working or by servicing?
Give first, again that's a spiritual
Give
aspect.
something.
ठीक है, I will share. I will not. In industrial age, this was the formula, which is what is money is actually time into effort. What is time? If you give 8 hours একটা জিনিসে কাজ করবেন, then what will happen? You will get a particular salary. On the other side, if you are doing an overtime and if you work for 12 hours, you will get something more. Second thing is effort. If you are a chartered accountant, you will get a salary. And if you are a chartered accountant plus a company secretary plus an MBA, okay, then obviously your salary will be, probably if it was a lakh of rupees, it will be 1,25,000 rupees. And if you are working more time for it, probably you will get 1.5 lakhs. So this is the normal formula. If for anyone, even a person who is doing a day labor also, if he is devoting more time, he is going to get more money. Do we agree with this formula, which is there and which is quite natural? But what is the significance of this formula today? There are people who have 24 hours, who are putting effort of whatever they have, but still same effort, people are earning 10,000 times, 1,000 times of a normal other guy.
Smart effort.
Brain.
Because the power they will see have individual don't have.
Using
They
the
have
knowledge.
I mean, smart effort and everyone's time.
Duplicate.